Free trials are an antidote for buyer's remorse. Trying out a service for some time and enjoying it will make it easier to commit for longer terms. The thing is, with some VPNs, even finding if there's a free trial is troublesome. Yes, I'm talking about Surfshark. I kid you not, it's super hard to find information about their free trial on the websites. Even their support page instead focuses on the 30-day money-back guarantee. Stick with me to find out what the deal with Surfshark's free trial is. Are there any other VPN you know that offer a free trial? Did you try them out? Leave a comment and let us know. And if you had a chance to try out Surfshark's free trial, make sure to mention it too. The only way to find out if Surfshark's free trial is to download the mobile application, where you will be able to claim that trial. Crazy, right? To get a Surfshark account for free, you need to go through a few easy steps. Through either Google Play or App Store, download the Surfshark app. Open the app and click Start Free Trial. Enter your credentials and choose a plan. Don't worry, even though the app will ask you for payment details, you won't pay a dime until the trial is over. Agree to the subscription and you are set. Just don't forget to cancel the subscription before the time is up. Now, for 7 days, you can download the Surfshark VPN app on any device and use the account you created on mobile. Yeah, even though you've gotten a trial on mobiles, you can use that account on any other device as well. The Surfshark VPN trial is not like a free version of a VPN. You are getting the whole Surfshark experience. No strings attached, no features hidden. It's a perfect opportunity to test the service, and since Surfshark doesn't have a device limit, you can try it on any of your devices. However, according to the Surfshark website, they also have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So let's take a look at the deal too. The main difference between the Surfshark VPN free trial and the money-back guarantee is the fact of payment. With a free trial, your money stays with you, but you'll have to pay first if you want to use a 30-day money-back guarantee. You are no longer getting Surfshark free of charge. And if you violate the terms of service, you won't be able to refund your purchase anymore. Another nuance is the process of the refund itself. Mobile users can request a refund or cancel the subscription from Google and Apple stores respectively, and it goes through quite fast. I checked. But if you purchase a subscription from Surfshark's website, you'll have to deal with their customer service to cancel it or request a refund. And don't get me wrong, their support is awesome. The 24/7 live chat certainly helps, but don't forget you have to deal with humans there. So some time could pass before your request gets approved. My point is, don't leave those things for the last moment. Well, that's about it with a Surfshark free trial. You have to start it on mobiles, but then you can use it on any device. You are getting a full service for the duration of the trial, and there's also a money-back guarantee you can use. But if Surfshark won't satisfy you, there are other VPNs offering free trials. CyberGhost and Ivacy VPN offer a single-day trial, no questions asked, and NordVPN has a 7-day free trial on mobile devices just like Surfshark. And if you end up going with a long subscription, check the link in the description for the Surfshark VPN discounts. I hope you enjoyed this video. Show me some love with a quick like and sub, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye-bye.